Privacy isn't about hiding, it's about protecting what's sacred. The older you get, the quieter you become, not because you don't have anything to say, but because you finally understand not everything deserves to be heard. You start realizing energy is real and not everyone watching you is clapping for you. So you stop oversharing, you stop announcing every move, you stop proving your piece to people who secretly hope you lose it, because power moves in silence and the loudest people usually have the least going on for them, and the real ones are too busy building to broadcast. See, you don't need to post your relationship to prove it's real. You don't need to share your goals to make them valid. You don't need to show your blessings to keep them coming. What's private grows and what's public gets picked apart. So protect what's sacred. Move quietly. Let them wonder, because mystery keeps your energy expensive and not everyone can afford access to you anymore.